Guys, what is up? It's me, BK Nessa, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys 6 different types of angles and how to draw them. Let's get started. The first type of angle we're going to be learning about is called the perpendicular bisector of a segment. First thing you're going to need to do is draw a line. Then we're going to label these points any 2 letters, but we're going to go with A and B. Next, you're going to take your compass and make it more than half the length of the line. So about this much. Then you're going to want to draw 2 arcs on the top and the bottom, like this. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, you're going to label this intersection X and Y. This is X, and this is Y. Next thing you're going to do is take a straight edge and draw a line in between these 2 arcs you just drew. Now we're going to label this intersection M. And that's it, the end. You just successfully created the first angle. The second type of angle we're going to be talking about today is perpendicular through a point on a line. So the first thing you're going to need to do is draw a line. And we're going to label this line K. There's a point on here called P. Next thing you're going to do is take the compass and place it on point P. And draw 2 arcs intersecting line K, like this. Next, we're going to label these point A and B. Next, put the compass on point A and draw an arc like this. And we're going to do the same thing from point B. And we're going to label this X. Last thing we're going to do is just use a straight edge and label this line that you're going to draw XP. This is line XP. That's it. Now we're doing angle 3, which is perpendicular through a point not on the line. We're going to start with our line that looks like this. First thing you're going to do is place the compass on point L and draw 2 arcs intersecting K, like this. And we're going to label these points A and B. Then you're going to place the compass on point A and draw another arc. And we're going to do the same on point B, like this. Now we're going to use a straight edge to draw a line connecting this intersection named X and point L. And there you have it.
It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they're sorry. Riders up like a hurry and pull up in this Ferrari.
This is angle 4, which is a line parallel to a given line through a given point. First thing you're going to do is start with this line. And you're going to draw a line through P with a straight edge, like this. Now we're going to label this point X. Now the next thing you're going to do is put your compass on X and draw 2 arcs. Like this. Now you're going to put the compass on point P and draw arcs intersecting these arcs, like this. Last thing you're going to do is draw a line. Well, first thing you're going to do is label this Y. Now you're going to draw a line through Y and P. And that's it. Guys, now we're going to be drawing an angle bisector. So you're going to start with an angle that looks like this. The first thing you're going to do is take your compass and put it on B, which is the vertex. And you're going to draw an arc like this. And we're going to label these points X and Y. Now you're going to put the compass on point X and draw another arc that's inside this angle, like this. Now you're going to go on Y, an intersecting line. Next thing you're going to point Z. Now the last step is use a straight edge to draw a line between B and Z, like this. Now you have line BZ. The end. The last angle we're going to be talking about today is congruent angles. First thing you want to do is start with an angle like this, and then draw a ray next to it called B. Then you're going to take your compass and put it on point A and draw an arc through it like this. And do the same thing with ray B. Now, you're going to label all these points that you just drew. Next thing you're going to do is draw a straight edge on B that will intersect point E like this. Now you're going to take your compass, put it on point D, and draw an intersection. And do the same over here from point E. And label this F, and there you have it, 2 congruent angles. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something new. Peace and love.